Ayan po mga kaibigan, of course, the brain trust of Sports Vision. Our tournament director, si Mr. Tony Boy Liao on the right. Si Cesar Malapitan nandun. Saka si, binanggit na lang si Cesar. Saka si Ricky Palou, of course. In attendance at all times. And it must be very hard for Ricky Palou to see two of his, divided na yung mga girls niya. Well, dito po tayo simula ng ating second set. Ruby De Leon. Nakagawa agad para sa Smart. And again, I will mention that's the first time that Smart has dropped a set in 3 matches. Dito, na-straight sets nila FU, na-straight sets nila yung PNP. Ruby, again. Si Ruby yan yung mga hybrid setter na ang daming talents na pwedeng gawin eh. In fact, she's the reigning finals MVP.
All around to see Ruby. And also very lethal serve.
Right. Almost getting that one there. Pero Kainglet will give up the sky ball. Soltones. Ruby. Combination. Banatikla. Handang-handa si Maureen Penetrante o ano. And Maru with the reception. Quick set. Roses. Kinalbot na lamang yung bola.
Well, it worked for them. Still a point here for Smart Maynilad.
So 3-1 para sa Smart Maynilad. Charo Soriano, former captain of Ateneo, former head coach of Ateneo as well. Gave Ateneo their first championship dito sa Shakey's V-League actually as a head coach. As Morada, himatayin nung nakita niya lumampas yung kanyang tira. Ito ngayon si Charo once again. Another good serve there coming from Charo. Morada. Walang atake na maibigay itong Meralco. Puro free ball. Nika Guliman, net violation. Kaya mahirap din sobrang tangkad minsan. You're just joining us, Meralco parading a new Chinese import, si Coco Wang. 6'3". Phil Kainglet. Mintis, pero check ball. Gulat ni Guliman. Ha?
May check pa pala.
Oo.
But, Phil talaga woke up at the right side of the bed.
Yes.
Consistently hanggang ngayong second set. Delivering the points.
And penetrante. Sue Roses. Nice block by Kainglet.
So, itong si Phil pinapakita naman sa atake. I can block as well.
Pero kanina, no first set, sa kanya pinapadaan lahat ng atake, ha? So ngayon, sabi ni Phil, kaya ko rin naman manupalpal, ha? Another good serve. That was a dying serve. Yung tipong akala ni Maru, kuha ko to, harapan, bigla na lang namatay sa harapan niya. And Rexona antiperspirant deodorant, it won't let you down. Nakuha na ng Meralco Kalamangan. So that's 4 straight points already para dito, or 5 straight points para dito sa kupunan ng Meralco. At sabi ni Maru, tabla natin.
This is how you get a point. And itong si Maru, we've seen her, of course, nung nag-umpisa siyang maglaro hanggat sa senior years. And we've seen
Fifth year na siya sa
yung maturity, no? And in how she plays.
Coach Roger in the foreground that time. Jose, quick set, Coco Wang. Ito ngayon si Gretchen Soltones. Mintis. So itong magiging tema rito sa ating second set, ang pakuntian ng errors.
Because ang nakikita natin ngayon, some mistakes being committed here and there.
Like that one, yep, coming from Maika Morada. Tabla tayo, 6-all. Everybody is here at the arena para masaksiyan itong ating star-studded na laban. Here is Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. April Jose. Almost powerless that time against Nika Guliman. Ito ngayon, si Phil Kainglet. Si Maru nandun. Ruby, masyado malapit. Adlib si Soltones. Nabuhay pa rin. Coco Wang. At naitawid naman yun, di Maru. Maika Morada into the net.
Two consecutive errors rather. Para dito kay Morada.
Hey, here's the running attack. Coco Wang. Walang magagawa sa Soltones to. Ang laki niyan. Ano naririnig ko dito sa gilid ng mga pinagsasabi ni Dati Pasco?
May ibang conversation on the side.
Kaya nga eh. Nag-uusapan yung mga teleserye. Eto ngayon, si Soltones. Pantay yung net. Dikit po itong ating second set. Lamang po ang Smart Maynila ng